Hi, this is the Vivo T1 Pro 5G and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings application, then tap to network and internet to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off. You should use this switcher. If you wanna select a couple of networks, that's not a problem. Just first connect to the first network. Here you should enter the password. If you want to see the password, you should click to this show password checkbox. After that, just tap to connect, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. After that, select the another one, and then you will see all of your saved networks in this saved networks list, so you could switch between them. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open first the control panel, and you'll see here the Wi-Fi icon. Just click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, and to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.